Okay, I came home and got a little surprise. My electronic speed controller has shown up. So this is the one I ordered. This is, check it out. That is the dual Flipsky ESC 4.2 Plus. I know this is a little bit of an older ESC, but the price comparison versus what I was using it for, I mean, it's a, I'm using it for kind of a project. I don't want to, this isn't going to be a daily ride board, so I figured I'd do my first impressions of what this is. So let me get this cut open and I will show you what I got. Okay, so we have this one here. This is the main ESC. It looks like it has a power switch. Ooh, everything's a little tangled up. This is kind of hard to do with two hands, or with one hand, so let me set this down and I'll fix this. Alright, so what we've got here is, this is the Flipsky ESC 4.2 Plus, so this is the one that comes with the on-off switch. That's actually really nice. It's got a heavy click to it. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, and it looks like we have our wires for the controller. And the first thing I've noticed already for these is like all the wires on here, they're all silicone. They're all soft silicone. They're not vinyl. Yep, silicone, silicone, silicone. Maybe some kind of like, yeah, it's a little, yeah, that's silicone. So we got the main ESC, and you can already kind of see where a few things are going to go. And then I got a port there. Whoops. Port there and a port here. I'll have to figure out which one I have to plug into in order to program this. I got extensions for hall sensors. 2 of them. Got some basic instructions here to come with it. And this is basically the same thing you could find on the ad for these, where it shows how to set it up on the receiver and what each of the ports do. And on the back it has a manual for setting it up, including a what's included in this package. So this says it has a heat sink, and yeah, it sure does. It's got a big aluminum plate on the bottom. Yeah, you can kind of see the MOSFETs in there. Over on this side, in between. Yeah. Alright, so, and then comes with the micro USB. And we have the remotes. And this remote is actually nice. A lot of other cheaper ESCs copy this remote. This is the VX1, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the VX1. So Flipsky Remote VX1. And this is pretty simple. It's got a battery indicator light, 4 lights for battery level, or sorry, for speed or battery level, I think. I believe this button is for switching direction. And 1 signal light and a power switch. It's got a nicer finish than some of the cheaper remotes that copy this exact design. I have an example of those too I can show you. So another micro USB that comes with it. And in here it has the, I believe these are the UART connectors that'll connect from the ESC to the receiver, and the receiver is here in the center. Pretty simple. I've never done anything with hooking up RC remotes before, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. Everything in here is going to be a learning experience for me. But here is one of the identical knockoff remotes that you can buy. These are the ones that usually come on cheaper ESCs. But yeah, it's almost exactly one for one. Minus a few details. We get here where you can see the light. There we go. Turn the light on. So yeah, you can see how they tried to copy the design. Obviously, this one's a little bit bigger. It has a hole in the middle, as where this one does not. But button placement, light placement, and the symbols all exactly identical. So yeah. This is going to be a fun experience, and I'll be covering this in the electric mountain board build because this is going to be the ESC that runs it. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.